The Rescue Helicopter Service has a proud local heritage and serves the communities that we operate in New South Wales.
The Westpac Rescue Helicopter covers from the Hawkesbury up to the Queensland border. We take the intensive care department out to people in the field should they need our services. We require ongoing support. We do have a significant government contract, but it is that community aspect and partnerships with companies like Orica that really gives us the strength and gives us the ongoing capability to continue to provide world-class services to our communities.
Since 2015, we've provided direct financial support for the service, and we've also offered our employees an opportunity to contribute, and we would match their contribution.
And as part of our partnership, we're promoting the Westpac Rescue Helicopter Service on our most advanced mobile manufacturing unit.
And in conjunction with Yancoal, we'll put that into the field to celebrate the partnership together. Our teams are wearing jointly branded PPE in the field every day. It just is another example of the support of the Rescue Chopper Service.
Our organisation has grown up around partnerships, and the one with Orica we really cherish. It's been ongoing for a number of years now, and we hope it continues for years to come.
They're one of those icon foundations that are always there to help others when they need it most.
It's companies like Orica that really make a difference to all of our communities, and we really do thank them from the bottom of our hearts.